In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your downstream O2 sensor on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located on your exhaust pipe. Let's disconnect our connector first. Push in the button. Undo it from the clip above. This one is actually on the bell housing. And then once you have that wire free, you're going to get a socket for an O2 sensor. Put your socket in there. Slide it over the wire. And once you get it on there, you're going to get your ratchet. And in my experience, if you do a quick jolt to loosen it, it usually loosens a lot easier. Like that. I'm going to take my ratchet off and do the rest by hand. At this point, you might want to get your wire kind of rolled up so it's easier to turn it out. Doesn't get tangled on anything. Remove it. To install, you're going to aim the O2 sensor up, place it in the hole, and thread it in. Go in as much as you can, and then get your socket to tighten it down. Now we're going to tighten it down. Put your socket back on. We're not going to be able to get a torque wrench in there, so just do your best. You might have to readjust your socket periodically as you tighten it, since you can't swivel the thing all the way around. If you're using a long-handled 3/8 ratchet, I would say after you snug it up, go about 1/8 of a turn. Now we're going to plug in the O2 sensor and feed the wire down. Make sure you hear that click. Feed your wire through and above this area here, otherwise your wire is not going to fit. And then you can push your connector back in where it lives.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.